Hello students, welcome to online revision classes for your exam of science subject. Today we are going to discuss about unit 2 for your exam, that is fibers, plastics, metals and non-metals. First we will learn about fibers. The cloths which we are made from fabrics, and these fabrics are obtained from the fibers, and those fibers may be natural fibers or artificial fibers, or natural resources or artificial resources. Okay, the fibers which are made from the natural resources are called as natural fibers, and fibers which are made from the artificial or man-made fibers are called as artificial resources. Natural resources or natural fibers examples are cotton, wool, silk. These are fibers made from the natural resources. Cotton, wool and silk are the natural resources or natural fibers. Okay, the door curtains which we are using in the home, or the cloths which we wear it, or the window curtains which we are made, all are made from the fibers, and that fibers are made from that fibers we call it as fabric. Fabric means it's a name that is used to make any cloths. Okay, next we will move for plastic. Okay, and one important point is these natural fibers and artificial fibers are available in all the colors in nature. Okay, and I told you the example for natural fibers are cotton, wool and silk, and artificial fibers example is nylon and acrylic. Okay, these are some of the examples of natural fibers and artificial fibers. Let us learn about plastic. Plastic is a polymer. Polymer means a small unit is combined to make it a larger unit, or call it as polymer. Okay, plastic is a polymer. Like synthetic, many small units will combine to form a larger unit. These characteristics we will learn in the next topic. Okay. Yes.
Continue.
Now let us learn about the characteristics of plastics. Okay. In the last thing we have studied about plastic is a polymer. Polymer means so many smaller units will combine to form a larger unit, and here the characteristics of plastics we are going to learn. Plastic is a polymer. The first characteristics of plastic is a polymer, means so many smaller units will combine to form a larger unit. And plastic is non-reactive. It is a non-reactive element. It does not react with air, or it does not react with water. And third one, plastic is light, strong and durable. Okay, plastic is light, strong and durable. It cannot be spoiled, and it is very light object, and it is very strong. And fourth one, plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. They won't conduct any electricity and heat. And these are some of characteristics of plastics. Now let us learn about biodegradable and non-biodegradable processes. Biodegradable means the substances which is decomposed by the natural resources, or call it as biodegradable resources. Example, the food which we will be used will be biodegradable, and the waste produced by the plants are biodegradable. Okay, those are examples for biodegradable processes. And non-biodegradable means the processes which is not decomposed by the natural resources. Example, plastic is a non-biodegradable processes. These are some of characteristics of plastics and the importance of biodegradable and non-biodegradable processes. Next we are going to learn about the metals and non-metals. Okay, metals and non-metals are abundant in nature. Almost all solids are metals itself. Some of the examples for metals are iron, zinc, copper, lead and mercury. These are examples for metals, and mercury is a metal liquid at room temperature. Mercury is a metal liquid at room temperature. And non-metals are carbon, oxygen, neon and nitrogen. These are some of the examples for non-metals. Now let us learn about physical properties of metals. Metals are shiny. Means always it will be the metals will be shining surface, it will be having. And malleability means it is beaten up into so many shapes. It can be turned into so many shapes. And ductability means it is converted into wires and different things which we will be used in our daily life. And these are some of the properties of a metals or physical properties of a metals. And next one, metals are always good conductors of heat and electricity. Metals are always good conductors of heat and electricity. And the physical properties of non-metals are just opposite to the metals. Okay, the physical properties of non-metals are just opposite to the metals. Understood? Here we have learned about the properties of metals, but the physical properties of non-metals are opposite to that of metals. Now let us study about chemical properties of metals. See here, metals whenever reacts with water, what it happens? Or metals reacts whenever reacts with acid, what it happens? First example I have taken, whenever the metals reacts with acid, metal will react with acid, it will generate metal salt plus hydrogen gas. Example I will take it as Na, sodium we will take it as, that will react with the acid of hydrochloric acid, and that will generate as sodium chloride. Okay, and giving hydrogen gas. This is the first chemical property of the metal. Whenever the metal reacts with acid, it will provide the metal salt. And second one is metal reacts with water. Whenever the metal reacts with water, it will provide metal hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Example I am taking potassium. Whenever reacts with water, potassium hydroxide we will get it as, and hydrogen gas is liberated. These are two chemical properties of metals. Thank you children. Read properly for your EOY